We have done with this piece in Hyderabad. Hyderabad as a pilot testing. I am very thankful to the excise department to have shown faith in us. We have a program which is end-to-end program, which says right from the point the liquor is served to the point a person is dropped home, he is safe. Safe in ways of liquor being served, safe in ways of he being taken care by the bar establishment, safe in terms of being dropped on in the house, point to point. The reason is, if we follow this program 100%, we will not have zero DUI deaths. That is what we guarantee today. Okay. Now, the best part of it is that we are also coming up with an application, with a mobile app, which is tentative to be launched on 16th of September, in coordination with the excise and the IT department, wherein we will have app for the customer. He can book a special ride from our app. Maybe Uber is linked with us through Uber. He can book a special app, the server or the establishment can also book a ride for the customer. At the same time, the server and the establishment can also ask for a ride or a driver. So we have had MOUs with partners like Uber. We are already going on with partners like Ashoka Drivers Services, with Amrita Foundation, which is basically into counseling of people who are drugged with alcohol abuse and drug abuse. So in all ways we are trying to come up with a plan. We have a very strong plan right now which says we will get the state of Telangana to zero DUI. Zero DUI, zero driving under influence of alcohol accidents. The moment we drive under alcohol, it is like a time bomb. The Supreme Court of India said that driving under any drunk driven guy on the road is like a time bomb. He could hit anybody. It could be my wife, my child, your child, anybody. And if it falls on you, you will actually get to know the pain and hit any property, which could be a post, which could be road, which could be somebody's boundary, and damage property as well. So we should not allow time bombs on the road. We should ensure that we should go back home drunk driven, and we should take care of people at large, society at large, make society at large a safer place to stay. This would help us all to build a better life for everybody.